Hello, you are welcome to Savitech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I shall be teaching you how to make a professional CV with your smartphone. The name of the app that we are going to be using is called Intelligent CV Maker. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store and install the app on your phone. Then when the app is done installing, you click on it and it will open. This is how the interface looks like. Now, on this interface, we can see we can see create button here, and we can also see download button here. Since we are going to be creating, all you need to do is to click on this create button, then it will open. So this is the next interface. Now the reason why my own interface is like this is because I've actually made about 3 CVs using this app. So yours is not going to look like this because you've not actually made any CV yet, so your own is not going to be looking like this. So this is the only thing you are going to see. Since you are a new user, this is the only thing you are going to see. This create new profile. So all you need to do is to click on it. So since I've made different CVs on this app, I'll just choose one. I'll click on this edit. Look at edit here. So I want to make use of this one, so I'll just click on it. So this is how it's going to look like. These are the several sections. We have personal details, education, experience, skills, objective, reference, interest, projects, and so on. So we are going to click on the first section, which is what personal details. So this is the one that I've entered before. So since you are a new user, all you need to do is to enter your name, your address, your email. You can see it here. Name, address, email, phone number, date of birth, marital status, nationality, and so on. You understand? You can actually add another section if you feel that there are some things, there are some information that need to be added under this personal details, but they are not here. All you need to do is to click on this. You are going to click on this add. Where is it? You are going to click on this add. You click on this add button. Click on this add button to add new section. So let's click on this and see. Now we can see that this website here is not toggled. Look at it here. This website is not toggled here. That means it is not added, it is not included in the section. Even this Twitter is not toggled, religion is not toggled, gender is not toggled. But if you want them to show under your personal details, all you need to do is to what? Is to toggle them. If you toggle it, it will now show under your personal details. Then you click on it, then you enter your website. You understand? So when you are done, you just click on what? You click on save, and then you proceed. The next section here is what? Education. You click on it. Now, when entering your educational details, what to do is that you begin from the ladder to the former. You understand? That is, if you have a degree, you're going to start from what? From university to secondary school details, for secondary, then primary school details. That's how you enter your educational details. You begin from ladder to former. Now the first one here is what? Course and degree. Like me, I read statistics. That is why I added a BSc statistics. This is the school I attended. This is my, let's assume that this is my score. Then this is the year I graduated. You understand? Then when you are done, you can actually add. You understand? If you are the type that have attended several schools, you can add. You understand? You can add to the section. So when you are done with that, when you are done entering all the information, then you click on save. Then you move to another section, which is what? Experience. You understand? In experience is the same thing. When you want to enter your experience, is the same thing. Maybe you've worked in several companies. What to do is you begin from the ladder to the former. You understand? So this is the name of the company that I last worked with, Habdallah Travels and Tours Limited, Abuja. Then this is the job, this is a job title. You understand? I was employed as an IT personnel and digital marketing. This is a start date. I started February 2022 and I ended October 2022. Then this this one are the details. You understand? My job responsibilities. So if you know, one thing is that have to make your CV look attractive. You understand? So that when you submit your CV, all the informations all the informations in your CV should make the employer, should convince the employer to what, to call you. So that is how you have to make everything professional. You understand? So if you don't know what to enter under these details, all you need to do is to you go to your search engine and then you type responsibility. If you were employed as an IT personnel, you just go to your search engine and type responsibilities of an IT personnel. You just, all you need to do is to copy and then you come and paste it here. You understand? If you were employed as a marketer, you go to your search engine and type responsibilities of a marketer, you copy them and then you come and paste them here. You understand? If you don't know what to write, that is what you do, so that to make your CV professional. You understand? So this is the second one, experience. I've also worked. Okay, this one is when I was serving. I served in University, Federal University of what? Lafia, and my job title there was Research and Graduate Assistant. This is when I started, this is when I ended. So responsibility, the same thing. All you need to do is to go and search, you copy, and then you come and paste. You understand? When you are done, you come and click on what? On save. Then you move to the next one, which is what? Skills. You understand? You can add as many skills as you want. So that is one thing about this CV. You can add sections. You understand? You can add sections. If you want to add, you just click on it. So just add your skills, just add your skills, and then you click on what? On save. Then you proceed. If you've done a project before, this is where you enter it. This is project. As you can see here, this is project. If you've carried out any project before and you want to show to your employer the type of projects you've actually carried out, all you need to do is to click on it, then you add. Let's click on it and see. Let me click on it and see. So this is how it looks like. We have the title and the description of the project. You understand? So when you are done adding the title and the description, you click on save, then you proceed. You understand? Then if you've done more than one project, you can also add. You can see the add button here. You can also add. So you save and then you proceed. This one is cover letter. This one is cover letter. We are not going to touch this one now. I think I'm going to talk about this one later. That is why you need to subscribe, so that you have access to all my videos. You understand? So that when I make new videos, you get an alert. You understand? So if you've not actually subscribed to my video, please and please do so, because I'm going to drop so many videos. And if you subscribe and you turn on your notification button, definitely you get alerted whenever I drop new video. Please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we can actually add more sections. You understand? Like I said before, if you think that there are some informations that are supposed to be here but they are not here, you can add. You can click on this add. Look at it here. No, let me go back. What did I do? What did I do? And just go back. Let me just cancel and see. Yes, cancel. Match with curriculum. Okay, let me just click here. Oh, all right. No big deal. No big deal. So we can click on this add more sections. You understand? This one is what? Publications. This is activities. This is achievement and what? And awards. They are not toggled. That means they are not included there. You understand? So if you want to show to your employer your achievements and your award, you can see it here. Achievement and award. You make sure that you toggle it so that it will be added to the what? To the sections there. You get. So the next one is what? activities, you have publications, you have languages. All this can be added to the section. You understand? So this publication is if you've actually published any book before, you toggle it, then you add it there. You understand? So when you are done with everything, you just go back. The next one is what? This one is what? Rearrange and edit headings. Let's click on it and see. Let's click on it and see. This is the way that the sections are arranged. If you don't like the way they are arranged, you can actually rearrange them yourself. You understand? Like here, the objective is the first one. This is followed by what? Experience, education, skills, project, interest, personal details, additional information, and what? Reference. If you want this, let me just show you, like this case now. If you want it to come before education, you can actually rearrange. All you need to do is to click on this arrow, click on this arrow here, and it will move up. That's the way it is. You can actually reset the way they are what? They are arranged. You understand? So let me just go back. Let me just go back. Is there any other thing again? This one is help. That one is not necessary. I think we are done. You've added the necessary things. So below here is view CV. So if you want to view your CV, that is where you click on it, it will open. Now these are the different these are the templates that we are going to use. You can choose any of them here. You understand? So this one is just this one is regular. You understand? So you have to make your CV professional or modern. So this one is regular. So just forget about this one. No, if you check here, you can see all professional and then what? Modern. You understand? So if you want your CV to look modern, just click on modern and the template will come out to show like this. You understand? Now here it carries a picture. Now we can actually add our passport if you want. The option was there, it is optional. So if you want to add a picture, let's just go back and see. I think it should be under personal details. Now we are given an option to add our photos. So if you want to add your photo, all you need to do is to click on it to take you to your gallery. Then you choose any picture of your choice and then you save. You understand? So let's go to view CV again and then choose one. So you can choose any of them here. Let me choose this one, this number 27. Let me choose it. So you can actually zoom. This is zoom. So you can click on it to see how it looks like. You make sure that you go through everything so that you make sure that everything is correct. Don't just go and download. Go through everything. Make sure everything is correct before you click on download. You understand? So you click on zoom. My own picture is not showing here because I did not add any picture. You understand? I didn't add any, that's why my own is not showing. So make sure you add a picture when you are creating a modern CV. So this is how it looks like. This is the second page. This is the first page. This is the second page. So our CV is ready. You understand? So after you have gone through everything and you are satisfied with it, you just click on what? On download, and your CV will be downloaded. So that is all. So please and please make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a similar video like this, you get alerted and you have the opportunity to watch it. Thank you very much.